Going on, guys? This is your boy D the Barber, and today we're gonna be doing a little light taper, a little fro on top. We're gonna be showing you kind of how to blend that in real well when you have this type of length on top. But jumping right into things, we're gonna be using our Andis Master. Starting off, I got the lever all the way open, and we're gonna go in and just kind of scoop out a nice kind of low guideline. I'm gonna do the same in the back right here, just making sure we're getting a good starting point. Nothing too complicated. Like I said, we got that lever all the way open, so we're gonna leave a little kind of shadow length all along the taper. Now, after we get those guidelines set in here in just a second, I think it's real important to go ahead and get your desired length on top, just to make the blending process a little more efficient. It's a lot easier to blend when you already have that length on top taken care of. So we're just gonna go ahead and knock that on out here. Our client here is really not trying to take too much of it off, so we're just kind of using that 4 guard to smooth it out just a little bit. Take some loose ends off, trying to grow it on out. He's gonna get the kind of the curl, nappy look up top when we get the cut taken care of. Right here, we're gonna use our Wahl Magic Clip to blend out the back part of the taper. We're going from bald to that 1 of the first guideline, and this is just my go-to clipper for balding out any guideline. But now we're gonna put that 1.5 on and kind of remove a little bulk. Notice the scoop. That's going to help you not put any harsh guideline in, and I'm just coming back and kind of smoothing it down to speed up the debulking process. But you always want to, you want to smooth it down like I'm doing right here, and then you want to come back and kind of knock that on off. Like I said, we're not doing too much here. Like I said, you're just removing a little bulk. So when you come in with that lower guard, it's going to speed up that process, and we're just going to fly through this side right here. Debulking a little bit of the hairline right there. That'll help me when I come back and line it up. Now we got our Andis Masters, that 1 guard on, and we're kind of using our all the way open, all the way closed method. We got the guard all the way open. We're gonna come back. Probably didn't notice it, but we flick that lever real quick, and we're going to close it on up and kind of help blend the guideline, and we're going to do the same in the back. It's all the way open right here, and then I'm going to come back and close it ever so slightly, kind of smoothing out a little bulk right there. Same process we did with the Magic Clip, and all the way open right here. I'm going to close that lever and come back and just kind of knock a little bit off. Now we're coming back with our 0 guard, and notice we're using the brush now instead of the comb. This is going to help us to better see the weight line when we brush it down, and that in tune is going to help you, remove it much easier. So, I don't use the brush always when I'm fading with this length, but when you're getting towards the end parts or the lower parts of the blend, you do kind of want to use one to, point out those weight lines that need to come on out. And now we're just going to begin the edge up process here, just using our Andis Cordless T Outliners to edge up that neckline, come around the ears. These are probably my go-to trimmers right now. Probably the best on the market, after you properly set them. If you haven't got a chance to check out my review on them, please do so. Kind of give you an insight to some pros and cons of the trimmer. We're gonna go ahead and start hitting that front edge up. Definitely want to start in the middle. With a client like this, when they're coming to you basically without a hairline and you're able to create one, there are pros and cons to that. I think you're kind of going to get a crispier edge up, but at the same time, you Also have to be very, very careful to, make sure that's proportionate. Right here, definitely want to, kind of step back if you have to and kind of measure the hairline with the eyebrows. Like I said, it's, sometimes you want a client to come to you like this, but, there's definitely, you have a lot of responsibility to set that hairline up, right at the same time. So definitely got to be careful. Right here, I'm having to kind of bring back that edge up on the right, just a hair. As I switch trimmers, we switched to that Slimline Pro because of the space in between his eyebrow and the hairline. There's not a lot of it. You really have to be careful, or you might end up putting a slit in his eyebrow if you're using a bigger blade. Right now we're just coming back with a little detail work, and any weight that we're seeing, we're just kind of going back and just slightly hitting that. Kind of makes the fade come all the way together. Same on this left side right here, just kind of hitting the bulk, and anything I'm seeing sticking out, it's time to go ahead and wrap it on up. We're going to come back with our slim lines right here and go around the ears. Kind of tapping that edge up. Make sure we got them crispy. As you can see, the cut has come together really nicely. Now to end the cut, we're gonna just kind of run across it with our magic clip to make sure nothing's sticking out, no loose or strangly hairs. And we're just gonna go across that real smooth and make sure we got them all the way in there. Do the same across the right side right here. And just want to make sure your hand is real steady and you're not in a hurry. Now we're going to come back with the curl brush just to kind of finish them on off. But I'd like to thank everybody for checking this video out. Please hit that thumbs up button if this was any kind of help. Comment, let me know what you think. Did you like it? Could I have done anything better? Let me know what kind of cuts you'd like to see in the future. Please go hit that subscribe button and check out a few more videos if you enjoyed this one. Oh yeah, and please hit that bell once you subscribe, just so you know we got something new up for you. Until next time, this your boy D the Barber signing off. Peace.